The reason that trauma is so important to consider with forward head posture is that it can cause structural changes in the neck. So in other words, trauma can change the ideal neck curve. Recall here on the left that the normal or ideal neck curve should be 40 degrees, here in red, and it curves in. We call that a lordosis. That's the normal or ideal curve. Trauma, however, can flatten that ideal curve, and this is called an alordosis. The A is Greek for without, so without a curve. And you can see that when the curve is lost, as we see on the pictures on the right, it pushes the head into a forward position. So here you can see the ideal curve in green. However, this individual, this was a student of mine, has quite a flat, actually a 0-degree curve, not a 40-degree curve, and that pushes the head forward. Here's quite a severe loss of curve. This is another student of mine with quite significant forward head posture. Now, what's really important to recognize, if you have a lost neck curve, an alordosis, this will not correct with home exercises alone. You could do 1,000 chin tucks a day and never get rid of your forward head posture if you have an alordosis, because you first need to regain the curve. Now, in the next lecture, let's look at the other structural damage that can occur. It doesn't have to happen, but it can occur following a road traffic accident or any whiplash to the neck area. Let's take a look at that now.